In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to join the Scratch community. I've been trying to set some sort of videos for my son to look at, but I figure I could put them up for everybody else to see. So the first thing you guys have to do is go ahead and search for Scratch. And then just do the scratch.mit.edu. So currently Scratch does not allow, or at least not that I can see, allow to download the program. Back in when this started, it was a downloadable image which you could actually install on your computer and take around as you went. But with the new century, since mostly everybody has internet, you can just it's hosted online, so anyone can use it. And to join it, you click on the join button right here with the lightning bolt. Create a user account name. Let's not show the password. And if for example your username is taken or password doesn't match, it would let you know. And then it'll ask you for the country that you live in. You were born. And your gender. Obviously this is up to you whether you want to provide them or not. I'm currently creating an account for my son, so now that it'll send you an email to the email you provided to verify your email. And yeah, it's a very easy process to join the Scratch community. And also for those who don't want to join, if you noticed here on so if you ever are stuck anywhere else and you got no clue how to get to this page, just always hit the Scratch logo and it'll take you back to the first home page. So for those who do not want to join, I did notice that if you start on this creating, it'll take you automatically to actually being able to create your own stuff without logging in. I haven't figured out what is the difference between the two, but once I do figure out, I'll let you guys know. But that is a quick tutorial on how to do your own do your own account and join the Scratch community, which is provides you with a lot of resources. They always do like these feature projects, and everything here you can actually edit yourself too. If you want to play around with other people's projects, you're welcome to modify them to however you like. And it allows you to use some creativity and at the same time learn how to program. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I look forward to posting more videos.